catchers, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're a new subscriber, hey, I'm Shalana, and as you all can tell from the title, today we're vlogging, and of course I am low energy. Reason being is I feel insecure. I feel like I'm coming down with the cold. My throat isn't as scratchy, it's there but it's mild. Thank God I've been piling on emergency vitamins and vitamin C, especially redoxon and stuff like that, so it cushioning the effect of everything. But I'm very much sleepy, I'm very much feeling fatigued, I'm very much feeling stuffy in the nose and stuff. So right about now it's like after 6 in the evening, and really and truly I haven't done anything for today. Right, so I'm actually going to, I already fold the clothes. As you have seen, I have already folded laundry. I removed the sheet off my bed because I need to wash that, so I need to get new sheets to make up my bed. Yeah, I need to clear down my makeup area. Don't mind the broom being there. That's just supposed to go back onto my bed. Right, yeah. I need to clean with my bathroom area, right, and just zhuzh up my bedroom, put things back in its place, and for it to look as it's supposed to. Right, I really actually not in the mood, but I've started. As you can see, I did do the laundry, so let's go put that away and get everything else organized. So I'm finished making my bed, straightening up my bed and sweeping out that area. Now I'm onto this area here, as you can see. Right, that's just notes. This is just notes that I have there. That's just notes I have there, so don't mind that. I just straighten up on top here. And whatever is on the ground, it don't have really much on the ground, just like that bag is used for garbage and stuff like that. Yeah, so let me just get into that. So my phone needed to charge, so I had done that, but now I'm in the bathroom. I'm going to get myself together because I'm really sleepy in the eyes. Like I think you could see it on my face, right? So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Now what you in a rush for?
trying to meet your maker, darling. Oh, you running out of time, huh? The time ain't even real. You really need to chill. It's all an illusion. You get mixed up in the future.
Alright guys, I'm going to shower and I will call y'all back, okay? Peace. Alright guys, I've been out of the bathroom a little bit. I actually had a call. So as you can see, the water literally, you see a little drop there. The water really dried on my face. However, there's been a pot, especially over my lashes, because my lashes actually hold water, right? And I don't really show you all a skincare routine because right about now I'm in the middle of trying to find out what works for me and what helps my skin and stuff. So I don't have anything that is foolproof or that I could say yes, that this is the this is the truth, this is what I do. However, I do find my skin to look a tad bit better than it was, right? I do find so. I do find so, but I'm still not recommending anything to anyone right now until if I continue doing this and my skin get completely clear and everything, and I can say yes, fine. But as for right now, I don't want to say yes is what it is. However, this is what I'm using here. It's just in a jar, but it is actually cocoa butter and olive oil mixed together, right? And it's softened, so it's literally like an oil. Just an oil. It was hard, but I had softened it. I had cream it with a mixing, like like when you're creaming butter for ice cream, not ice cream, for cake. I did that to the butter when it was slightly frozen, etc. But anyway, however, this is all I do. I don't do anything else. I had nothing else. The one thing that I would say that I noticed with doing this is that I don't have as much breakouts as I used to. I'm not saying that I don't get it at all. However, it's not as excessive as before. My skin, the texture of my skin is pretty on the smoother side since I've been using cocoa butter and olive oil, right? Lastly, I'm going in with some vitamin E. Although I put cocoa butter on my lips already, but that's already cocoa butter is there. Let's go in with some vitamin E, and I coat all over, even the corners of my mouth. Okay.
Magic, yeah, smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. The grow when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and you the main one lying? Are you threatening me and I'm the main one crying? Just tryna be with everything, main one crying. Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one crying?
Going in with some aloe vera here, so some aloe vera gel and some cocoa butter petroleum jelly on my feet, right? So I'm putting the gel first, massage it into my feet, like underneath the soles of my feet, and then I'm going to cover it with some petroleum gel because I have a little coal. I'm going to be using some vapor rub right underneath the sole of my feet right afterwards, right? And I'm then going in with some socks just to keep that in and to keep it. So I will not be using these socks all night because I don't want to keep heat in right through, but yeah. And my fragrance for tonight is the front of it come out, so I will show you all the back. This is by Body Ecology Toasted Sugar, right? So let me tell you all what it is. It's a warm blend of vanilla, brown sugar, and sensual amber. Creates a cozy, comforting scent. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna use tonight. So I just gotta
strip her booty in a rack like wow. Brain like Berkeley, better at Coachella. I went to see Chica, she ripped the CC trip. Perfect. I took a seat on the ice cold dawn. She handed me an ice blue bong, whatever. She said she wanna be a dentist really bad. She's in school paying for tuition, doing porn in the fab. At least she working, but girl I can't feel my face. But I was smoking anyway. She said don't let the high go to waste. Can you taste, little taste, Novocaine?